In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create watermark for your YouTube videos without using Photoshop in two ways. Okay, first way, on your PC or laptop, open any browser and type snappa.com. For your convenience, I will leave the official Snappa website link in the description. Make use of that. Yeah, now click login. Here create your Snappa account. It's just two-step process. I already have an account, so I just log in here. Yes, this is how this website looks. Here on this width tab, just type 150. On height also type 150. Then click create. Now here click background. Then here you can add these images and other stuffs. And here you can also change the background color if you wish. Then I add some shapes, resize and change the color too. Here you can add text, adjust the size if you wish. You can also change the text font. Once you completed, then click here to save the project. For now, just click download. Here select any of these options. For now, I choose high resolution PNG. Now your watermark image will be automatically downloaded to your file explorer like this. Now second way, all you have to do means just drag and drop your YouTube channel logo here. Then click upload and click this. Yeah, now it's perfectly fit. And upload this watermark on your YouTube channel like this. And if you want to know how to create a professional YouTube channel logo without using Photoshop means, watch this video.